Hi, everyone. Welcome to this 19th episode of 5 Minutes with NY Ike. I am Isaac Sacolick, or NY Ike on Twitter. And in this episode, I want to talk about digital transformation in small and medium-sized businesses. Anything from a $1 million business all the way up to maybe even as high as a $1 billion business, facing similar challenges around evolving business models, improving experiences, and getting more mileage out of data and analytics, but probably having to follow a different program and using different techniques and tactics in order to execute. So in this episode, I'm going to share places where small and medium-sized businesses have similar challenges but require different operating models to be able to execute digital transformation programs. Let's talk about the business challenges and drivers for digital transformation, starting with the need to grow and evolve our customer experiences, to go after markets that are profitable, to understand which customer segments we want to go target, and to understand that our business models need to evolve over the next 2, 3, 5, 7 years as technology and markets are changing, customer needs are changing with things like COVID, and our businesses need to be able to adjust to them. Second, it's about really producing a smarter and faster organization, providing the tools to our digital workforce so that they can act smarter, giving them access to data and analytics so that they're a data-driven organization, and so that overall the organization is doing more innovation, smarter, and faster. Then it's about really the efficiencies that are going to drive scalability in our organizations. I'm not talking about just automation. I'm really talking about hyper automation, where we're augmenting and people's intelligences. We're automating tasks. We're using machine learning to process large amounts of data and making our organization more nimble because of it. And then we're also evolving our organization to new threats and new risks so that as we scale and change our business models, we have a higher nimbleness to react and respond to different threat conditions and risk conditions around us. So this is really what digital transformation is about, and the tactics and game plan that a small and medium-sized organization is going to be very different than how large organizations attack these challenges. So I said that businesses need to strive to be smarter and faster, but these are actually only two of the attributes that I look for in digital organizations. The other two are safer and innovative. And when you put all four of those together, becoming a smarter, faster, safer, innovative organization is really what a transformative culture is about. You can't do one without the other three, right? If you're really smart but slow, that's not good in digital competition. If you're fast but not using data and intelligence, that's not good. If you're not safe enough, you might be putting things out that are going to deliver a poor customer experience. And if they're not innovative enough, if they're just a me too, you're not going to be able to grow your business and compete. All right. So again, this is four areas that organizations need to compete on, whether you're small, medium, or large, and a key target for digital transformation is to be able to change and evolve capabilities and the culture to be able to deliver this. Now, without further ado, on the next slide, I'm going to share with you three places where small and medium-sized organizations have to play a different game. Big data, and every company should be a software company. These are tactics that large enterprises can go after, but small and medium-sized businesses often don't have the talent or the funding to really play that game. So here are three things that you can do that are different. Number one, select and leverage a low-code platform for application development and integration. I do this with many of my clients that realize they have to develop customer experiences and upgrade and digitize workflows, but they can't afford large-scale software development expertise to be able to do that or to be able to integrate systems across legacy and modernized systems. Number two, invest in citizen data science. Some of you already have Tableau or Power BI, but a citizen data science program is also going to include data governance, and automating data operations. And those are the elements that really enable a data-driven organization. And lastly, smart, medium, and smaller companies are going to do a lot more partnering with experts. They could be cloud experts or application architecture or integration experts or agile experts, but you're not going to have the same level of expertise in-house. And they call upon experts to get help, and then they outsource certain services, whether it's an MSP around a cloud service or an MSP around monitoring data services. They use a lot more services to be able to run their operations. So 3 different areas that smaller and medium-sized organizations can go after in order to compete and be able to implement their digital transformation programs. If you would like more information on how smaller and medium-sized companies can succeed with data and technology and execute digital transformation programs, please visit my URL, starcio.com/5nyike/EP19. I am Isaac Sacolick. I'm the president of Star CIO. Thank you for joining today, and I look forward to talking to you about digital transformation in an upcoming episode of 5 Minutes with NY Ike.